Welcome to our guide on demystifying IELTS reading passages. In this video, we'll delve into various text types, teach effective skimming and scanning techniques, and offer practice with passages of different lengths to help you conquer this challenging section of the exam. The IELTS reading section presents a variety of text types, including descriptive passages that provide detailed information about a topic, and argumentative passages that present different viewpoints on an issue. Understand the structure and purpose of each text type to effectively comprehend the passages. Skimming and scanning are essential skills for quickly grasping the main ideas and locating specific information in IELTS reading passages. Practice skimming to get an overview of the text, then use scanning to find answers to specific questions. Focus on keywords and headings to guide your search. Practice with passages of different lengths to improve your reading speed and comprehension. Start with shorter passages and gradually work your way up to longer ones as you build confidence. Use practice tests to simulate exam conditions and assess your progress. In addition to these strategies, here are some extra tips for success. Develop a reading schedule to regularly practice reading passages and strengthen your skills. Expand your vocabulary to better understand the texts and answer questions accurately. By understanding various text types, mastering skimming and scanning techniques, and practicing with passages of different lengths, you'll build the skills and confidence needed to excel in the IELTS reading section. Remember, consistent practice and focused preparation are key to success. Best of luck on your IELTS journey.